Hello, my dear CA students. Hope you're all doing good. Friends, I'm coming live to make this exciting announcement for all of you that from coming Monday, every single day, night from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., I will be doing a free AFM expected questions revision so that you can study other chapters also, but at the same time, you can stay in touch with AFM also. So in this 1 hour time, I'll be doing all the important questions which is there either in the RTP or in the MTP or in the case scenario digest, or there are some very good questions which has come in the study material of derivatives chapter. We will do all these consistently. So my only request to all of you is that keep your time from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. free so that you can attend this session, and remaining time you can do your other studies also. So when you are learning with me, we both will be going at the same pace and we both will be understanding it. It will be a YouTube live, so you all can attend it live, ask all your doubts by way of comments so that I can clear it up for you also. So do not delay, friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel immediately and pass on this information with two of your good friends so that not only you but they can also benefit from this particular video. Thank you so much. I will see you there.